In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. This is the starting point for setting up your payment integration. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already, enter your email and password in the designated fields. Alternatively, if it's more convenient for you, there's an option to log in using Google. By choosing this method, you simply click on the Continue with Google button and follow the prompts. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the menu options. One of these will be labeled Website. Click this to proceed. You're now entering the zone where you can manage different aspects of your site. The next step takes you to the Content and Membership section. This area controls how you manage various elements of your site, including subscriptions and paid content, which will soon tie into your Stripe setup. Within the Content and Membership section, you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon. It's your gateway to adjust settings with precision. This brings up the Payment Options section, an essential part of connecting your Squarespace website to Stripe. In this section, you'll find various payment providers. Locate Stripe and select it. This is pivotal because Stripe will handle the transactions for your online store. Once Stripe is selected, the next and perhaps the most exciting step is to connect the two platforms. Click on the Connect button next to Stripe. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have it set up yet. Follow the prompts to grant Squarespace the necessary permissions to manage transactions on your behalf. While you go through these steps, keep in mind that having your financial details, such as your banking information, will be handy. Stripe will require these details to ensure that the funds from your Squarespace transactions are deposited into your account. Once you've provided the required information and completed the account connection, you'll receive a confirmation that Stripe is now successfully linked to your Squarespace site. In completing these steps, you've empowered your website to process payments efficiently, opening up new revenue channels for your business. Ensuring smooth transactions with a platform like Stripe allows you to focus on what you do best, creating and sharing great content. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it clear and straightforward. Happy selling!